Okay, we're going to do an Lidlox helmet lock install on a Suzuki Boulevard an M50. So basically, and the C50 is the same. Basically, you just take off the stock bar end weight. Then you take your Lidlox helmet lock, the rubber plug, insert it in there. Take your 5mm Allen, turn it so the slot rotates down towards the ground. Snug that down. Take your lock core. Screw that in. Take your key, insert it partially with that ridge in the slot. Use your key as a tool, tighten it down. And then just bottom that out, don't torque it down any. And then tighten the small set screw in the bottom with a 2mm Allen, and then you're good to go, you're installed. So to use this, insert the key all the way and rotate it, pop the lock, hang your helmet on the helmet extender, put that up in there, lock it down, and your helmet's locked on the bike. That's it. That's all it takes to install this. And there it is on the Suzuki Boulevard M50s and C50s, and there I am unlocking it. So there you go. Matt at lidlox.com. Thanks for watching.